everybody. Tuesdays with Tom, and this week we're going to talk about cleaning the pre-filter on your new HealthWay DFS virus trapping air filter. First thing you want to do is you either want to unplug it from the wall, or just as easy, maybe easier, let's just turn it off. Then what you do is you turn the unit around. In the back, you have the back panel. Give it a little tug, comes right off. This handle is the pre-filter. Look at that. Slides right out. All you do is pull it out. You've got your attachment for your vacuum, and you gently rub it back and forth with your vacuum running, of course. That's always good. And you clean the bottom side of your air filter. Then you want to take it and put it back the same way, because even though you vacuumed it, there's still some stuff in there that's nice and trapped on the bottom side. You don't want to put it in upside down or differently than what you had it before you turned it off to vacuum it. So you put it right back in the same way to keep that stuff that's trapped down there. Then all you do, put the back cover back on, and guess what? We hit go, and there it's filtering your air. Trapping viruses, bacteria, mold, fungus, lots of other stuff too, like hair dust and bugs. Anyway, you're now good for another week. If you got pets, you're gonna wanna do it more frequently, maybe a month, maybe 2 months, if you've got a really clean environment you're in. Anyway, enjoy your HealthWay.
Poured in water, good for